To use the live alerts in OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to open the settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to click on notifications and quick settings. Go to the live alerts right here, and then you'll be able to see multiple different settings. Let's start from Tap Capsule 2, and if you select that, you'll be able to either view the app in the card on the capsule, or by clicking on the capsule right there, it will instantly transfer you to that app screen. Then there's the app alerts and system services. Here you can find which apps are supported by the capsule and will show up right here. So we have Google Wallet, Maps, and Sports from Google, at least for me. If you have different apps, they may show up right here. And as I said, they are all supported. You will see all supported apps. If there's an app that you cannot see right here, that means you won't be able to use it with Time Capsule. But if you want to use it with Time Capsule, you can check the description of this video. I will try to include a link to my future video for OnePlus 15, where I show you how to install the better version of the Capsule app. Then there's the system services. You can control music playback, game timer service, personal hotspot, and screen recording. And last thing is the unobtrusive, sorry, I never seen that word, but whatever, unobtrusive live alerts. Live alerts displayed in the status bar will be minimized into bubbles after some time, and you can activate or deactivate this option however you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.